The Indian government on Monday said it's high time that people started wearing masks inside their homes as well to rein in the coronavirus disease as the country is battling the second wave of the pandemic. It's time for people to start wearing masks inside their homes as well, said Dr. V.K. Paul, Niti Aayog's member, while briefing the press. The statement comes at a time when India is dealing with the deadlier, more infectious new wave of the pandemic, with hospitals in several states across the country reeling under a shortage of medical oxygen and beds in view of the rising number of infections. Now, let us see what is the reason for this recommendation. COVID-19 spreads primarily from person to person through respiratory droplets which travel in the air when someone coughs, sneezes, talks, shouts or sings. These droplets can then land in the mouths or noses of people in the vicinity or may be breathed in. Again, a large population does not show the asymptomatic people can continue to spread the infection at home at a faster pace. Dr. Paul stressed that even when asymptomatic people are talking, they can spread the infection. This is why we have been seeing entire families in this wave turning positive, even when most of them have stayed indoors. In the second wave of the disease, a significant proportion of the vulnerable population in India have been showing severe symptoms, including shortness of breath, and many have required hospitalization. The surge in the requirement of oxygen beds has overwhelmed the health infrastructure. Masks are mainly intended to protect others from COVID-19 rather than just the wearer. Therefore, the recommendation is aimed not just at breaking the chain of transmission, but also at protecting those at highest risk. There are two targeted outcomes. First, the elderly and those with comorbidities can be protected significantly, even if one member of the family has an asymptomatic infection. Second, it can reduce the local house outbreaks that have marked the second wave. Meanwhile, the government cited data from the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services to say that there is a negligible risk of transmission when there is a distance of 6 feet between two persons and when both of them are wearing masks. According to the data cited, the risk is 1.5% when both people are wearing masks, 5% when only the infected person is wearing a mask and uninfected person is unmasked, 30% if the infected person is not wearing a mask but the uninfected person is wearing one, and 90% when neither the infected nor the uninfected person is wearing a mask. News Desk, Kaumudy English.